You can add both photos and videos into your Instagram Reels, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a reel using photos and videos. You can use a template. A template is just a starting place which allows you to import your data, your clips, your photos, and then create a reel that way. You could put all your clips and photos into it and then let it make it for you depending on music, or you can just manually put everything in. And I'm going to show you all three of them. So let's start with templates. So I'm going to go to my profile and I'm going to go to the plus button on the top and I'm going to press Reels. Here, start a new one. Here on top, you can see templates. So templates are clips created by other people, and the way something becomes a template is that they filmed and edited it in Instagram, and then you can just use their text and you can just put in your own clips and create this reel. So here you can see in the first one, it just has a bunch of clips and then it has this text, I want to be free. So what I do is I click on it and then I start adding my media. So I can add a bunch of clips. And to add clips, you just go through your camera roll and you select the ones you want. Say I selected this one, but I don't want to add it anymore. I just click on it again and it's going to get rid of it. But order that you select it in matters because it's going to add it in that spot. So say I got rid of that one because I wanted to use this one instead. So I want to get rid of the next one as well. And then let's add some photos in there. So this is going to work with both photos and videos. The only difference is, like with the videos, it's going to have that movement in it, and then with the photos, it's going to stop movement. So it might be a little bit jarring. So if you're gonna add all videos but one photo, it might not look as good as if you add maybe more half and half, so half videos, and let's add some more photos in it so it like matches together a little bit better. You can just stop and get it to render at that, but basically it's going to show you here at the bottom all these black spots. To complete the reel fully like how they created it, you need to fill all the spots. You can also see how long that clip is going to be. So I can see here at the bottom, this last one's going to be 5.4 seconds, so it's going to be a longer clip. So maybe I want something more engaging in it. So you can see now, once you click next, it's just going to generate it for you and it's going to cut it all together. And the thing is, you can replace any of these media. So like in here, if I want to change one of the clips, I can easily do that. Or I can press next and then I can go to edit video and I can see all this here. And then what I can do is I can pause this and I can actually go into any of the clips. So I can adjust the section of the video that it's going to show. And I know that the white line from the beginning to the end, so I can see what it's gonna have in there. And it's already gonna have that text that it had in the template in there for you. So this is probably the easiest way to add photos and videos. X out of there, start over. Okay, so that's the first way, is with a template. The next way is just by going into Reels and then just selecting the clips you wanna add. So let's select a bunch of these clips. Let's do one more and then press next. And then what this is going to do is it's going to give you the freedom to, or it's going to give you the ability to pick one of these songs, and it's going to time the video there based on the song. So you're looking for something that works based on the song. This is actually pretty good, except for I don't like that first clip. I might replace that. So I can press next here and like I can replace that, and let's add a photo in there maybe. Press play. There we go. And then I can still adjust it that way. So you can go in, you can change the clip, add clips. It gives you a lot of freedom, but it's basically, it creates the reel for you. And then let's go back, let's exit out of this, start over. And instead of using that, you can just, where was that first clip? We didn't like that first clip. Let's get rid of that first clip. Where was it? This one, I didn't like that one. Let's select maybe a nice photo instead. The way you can tell if something is a photo versus a video is you can see here with the videos, it's going to show how long the video clip is. And if it has no time next to it, then it's a photo. So I can add that photo. Let's add maybe a different photo. See if I got a good photo. Oh, here's a nice one. I love these photos of just like the ocean and the waves. It's so cute. I love it so much. Oh, there's more ocean. Okay, so now I press next. And then what this does is it's going to add the full clips in here for me. And then I go into edit video and then I can adjust the clips to the length. Select the clips based on which part of the video I want that to appear. And then I can have this, you can see it goes from video, so the long video clip. You probably don't want it to be just long clips because it's not gonna be as interesting as if you have a bunch of faster clips. So you can see it goes from a video here to a photo. Probably wanna make this a little bit shorter. So click on it and use those yellow indicators to shorten it. Then it goes back to another clip. Say I wanna cut it right there. So what I can do is I can use the end lines to cut. So to shorten it, so I can move them physically, or I can use the split button. And what that does is it makes two clips, and I select the one that I don't want and go to discard, and it discards it. You can see here at the bottom, the audio is just to here, and then it stops for this whole part. So what I want to do is I want to use the audio and just extend it so it goes for the whole thing. You can see you got some photos, some video clips in there, and you got a reel. Oh, let's just tighten this one. With the white line there in the middle, you can use that to help you cut. So say for example, I know I want it to end on this line. Then I use this yellow indicator to go just to the white line, and so I can have more control of where it cuts it. And this is the whole clip, so let's just delete that. Let's delete that clip. Perfect. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.